Best route. After filtering items that you are interested in the item analysis page. After filtering stores that handles your item, in the store analysis page. And after filtering the address to select only those near your territory in the map analysis page, comes best route. With this, it will help sales rep saves precious time by ensuring multiple sites can be visited in the most efficient way. Please take note how to plan out your route using best route.